Welcome to the in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's just open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter green Apple keyboard. Green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application, so just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application is downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click enable in settings. Now just near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap here OK, again OK, and just go back. Here you'll see the switch input methods, click here once and switch your currently keyboard to the green United States keyboard, green Apple keyboard, and now the process is finished. And let's just go somewhere, for example here into the search, to see the look of our new device keyboard is. And as you can see, this keyboard is also close to the iPhone one as they all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.